Call me yellow demon, always creeping on the avenue. Call like hello, screaming in the mic like what the fuck is new? I'm that jello needing window peeping kid who spit the truth. Who don't meddle with the metal, cause the camera all I shoot. Call me yellow demon, always creeping on the avenue. Call like hello, screaming in the mic like what the fuck is new? I'm that jello needing window peeping kid who spit the truth.
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video. In today's video, it is a glueless wig install, guys. I feel like when it comes to wigs, there's only room for improvement, okay? Glueless installs are not for everyone, okay? Some people prefer a wig that's going to lay to guys for days or weeks, and some people like the convenience of taking the wig off every single day, okay? I love the convenience of taking my wig off every day or every night, okay, because I do not like to sleep in wigs, guys. I think the easiest type of wig to use is a curly unit because you do not have to curl it, flat iron, or anything like that. All you have to do is put water or mousse in it, or both, okay? So if you are new to this channel, my name is London Tay, but my real name is Taylor. If you're an OG subscriber, girl, you know I love to give hugs around this mug. I love me a good old-fashioned squeeze, grandma hug, okay? Before we jump into this video, everything about this wig will be in the description box below, okay? So yeah, guys, I think this unit turned out really well. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can like really see, like, yeah, baby, it is definitely glueless and it's still laid, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a hug and we're gonna jump into this video, okay? So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into the video, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye. Welcome back to your girl channel. I'm super lazy when it comes to what I do kind of under my wigs. I don't like to like braid my hair under my wigs, y'all. I'm gonna split it in two, but that's a per usual, okay? Put a little bit of oil on the ends to get it all good and moisturized, and then just twist it. Okay, y'all, so of course I'm going to use the yellow got to be glue. Put it on my edges just to smooth my edges kind of out the way and smooth them on back. So here we are. I'm going to just put a black cap on this, and I'm going, okay, when I put the black cap on, guys, I flip my braids to the opposite side, okay? So I flip it to the opposite side, and then I fold under, okay? Okay, and just slide everything kind of back, all right? So here is the wig or whatever. This is how it looks. It's just a regular old lace front, okay? Nothing special. Now it did come with these bands, this band, I guess, to make it glueless. So we're gonna kind of see what it do. Let's see. I'm gonna hook it right here. They just have so many different hooks. So guys, I just recommend for you just to kind of keep trying different hooks and seeing what works for you the best. Okay. So, okay, so here's how it looks, y'all. And actually that strap or whatever that came with it, I feel like it did make it pretty glueless, okay? The adjustable strap, yeah. It fits good, it fits snug, it just looks really crazy, okay? What we're gonna do is we're going to like camouflage the lace to make the lace better than this grayness right here. So here I have this Ruby Kisses. It's like level number 11, and I usually use like the darkest shade, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna get like a little brush, and I'm just gonna put that all over the lace.
Brian Little.
So now I'm going to just flip it back over. Alright, y'all, so once I am done with that, then I'm going to just cut off the ear tabs just to make sure that the wig is fitting me properly. And we are going to take the wig off and tighten those straps that come built into the wig at the back, just to make sure the wig properly fits me in the back as well, guys. So now I'm just going to, honestly, I'm just going to cut the lace off. Alright y'all, so I know it looks like I already just did so much and you guys didn't see, but in actuality I didn't. All I did was pull out the first row of hair, just got my comb, took out the first row of hair, and then put some mousse on the first row and behind the first row. So I just applied mousse after pulling out where I want my baby hairs to be. That's all I did. So right here you just seeing me applying mousse and trying to figure out and trying to mold my baby hairs and mold everything in the front the way I want it to be, okay? Super simple, nothing to it. Cut the baby hairs. Do it how you see fit. Like I said, be mindful if you have makeup on, okay? Apply more mousse right there and kind of just be gentle with it. Whenever you feel like it's too much friction or something like that, you're gonna want to kind of put more mousse to it, okay? For the most part, before I tie anything down, I'm literally going to apply more mousse just to kind of give me that confirmation that, you know, that security, okay guys? And then I'm going to get a scarf and I'm going to tie it down, okay?
Brian Little.
Okay. Then I'm going to get a blow dryer and I'm going to dry it mostly, okay, with the blow dryer. It's just like real funky cut. I'm trying to see like what I'm going to do. I'm thinking I'm just going to start like kind of cutting some off of the back. Alright y'all, so the unit is removed, okay? So now we're going to see if it's definitely truly glueless. I'm going to put it back on with the band first, and then I'm going to install it. Make sure the frontal is completely flipped out. Fluff it. Fix the baby hairs. This don't have any product on it, guys. Just kind of, you know, position the baby hairs kind of back into position. And voila, guys, it literally took all of 2 minutes to basically apply this wig back on. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.